Hey everyone, it's Kim, the homeschooling Grammy, and today I just thought I'd hop on here real quick and give you an update of what's been going on, what I plan on doing, and I think I might take you along for this little ride. It should be interesting. Let's hope I don't break my neck in front of you all. So if you're interested, stick around. We'll get started. Let's see, what have I been doing this morning? What time is, I don't even know what time it is. I think it might be around noontime. But we finished school. I've been doing laundry. I had to sweep and mop again because people in my house don't know how to wipe their feet for real. Let's see, what else have I been up to? Oh, I cleaned my bathroom, made beds, did all that normal stuff that you do every single day. So it has been storming most of the night today. It's not storming right now. It stopped for a few minutes. It's not raining. I don't even think it's raining. But I'm going to give you like a really quick update of what's going on outside before I show you what I want to do in my bathroom that I'm going to take you along for this ride. Yeah. All right. So let me show you at least outside. Let's try this again. I just spent the last 3 minutes talking to myself and I didn't hit record. Hey, Hope.
Hi.
That's the kind of stuff I do all the time. Do you all do stuff like that? Like seriously. Anyways. So this past weekend, today's Monday, on Saturday, my sister and I met up and did some shopping, and my brother was going to be bringing my lawnmower over, and the dude came over and he mowed my lawn too. How nice was that? But I'll give you a quick swoop around just to show you how nice the lawn is looking. And he also really weed whacked all of that fence area over there. So let me turn this around real quick. You can see, look at how nice my lawn is looking. It's growing in really, really well. I'm really impressed. I mean, there's still some patches, and then if you look over here by the fence, you see he really he had the mega whacker, so he completely whacked down all of that stuff.
Look at all those dark clouds.
I know. We could get a thunderstorm anytime, so I could probably should hurry it up. That I want to share with you all is I started a new project this weekend. Finally decided to start staining my shed. I started it yesterday. I need to go and grab a ladder for my dad. I just couldn't reach up there. It was too hard. I tried the chair thing. Probably not a smart idea. Don't follow, directions from me on how to do stuff. And I also only purchased a large brush because I was thinking about surface area. I wasn't thinking about painting or staining around the hardware. And I know probably the right way to do it is take the hardware off and the doors off. But no, I'm not doing that. That's too much work for me. And I will just stain carefully and it will be fine. So anyways, there's the start of that. Okay, so a few weeks ago, we decided to replace the shower head in the other bathroom. And because it's just so hard to try to wash Hope's hair. It's really, really difficult. And so I wanted a removable nozzle so that we could have a spray handle, and it made life so much easier. She's happier, I'm happier, we're all happier. Well, my husband was like, I want one in our bathroom too. I was like, all right. So I thought, let me take you along for this ride. So here is what I purchased. It's the Delta 7 sprays, hand shower, chrome finish, whatever, blah, 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 blah. So this is what I'm going to install. I'm going to try to set it up so that you all can see how I do this. It's actually really simple. Even a grandmother like myself can do it. So come on, ladies. You can do this kind of stuff. We don't need dudes to help us, right? All right, so I'm going to turn you around and kind of show you what I'm going to be doing. Okay. This is so new to me, guys. All righty, so I have all my pieces here. But first things first, we got to take the other piece off. Probably don't follow my instructions. I don't have a ladder. I'm going to stand on the tub. I have bare feet, so pray for me, girls, that I don't fall and break my neck. Okay. See how easy? The other shower head just pops right off just like that. Piece of cake. Whew. All right. next thing you're going to do, this little doohickey, whatever this little doohickey is, you're going to put the doohickey in the thingamybobber. That's the language of my father. He cracks me up. All right, so next piece. We are going to put this up here like so. Make sure it's nice and tight. So the beautiful part is that this swivels on the top. Look at how nice that is. It has like a nice swivel to it. So you can set it wherever you want. So I want to swivel it without unscrewing it from the attachment. So there. Part one. Easy peasy. So the next thing we're going to do, ooh, tell I've been outside. Yuck, now I gotta wash my tub. All right, so the next part is the hose. Ta-da! All right. You just put this little doodad right on here, like so. Then the final piece, I don't break my neck, is this goes onto here like so. So you just screw this on here and voila, looky looky, you have yourself a new shower head. So this goes on up here like so. Then you can adjust it however you want it up here. Isn't that nice? It's so nice. You can adjust, move around, take it off, you know. Let's make sure it works, all right? Let's do that. Ta-da! And what's really cool about this one is it has different settings. It's pretty nice, huh? Yeah. Not too shabby. Probably shouldn't have gotten that section wet. Ooh. All right, so there you have it, ladies. Shower installation 101 by the Homeschooling Grant. So that was the excitement for today. I didn't break my neck. That's a plus. And I just want to empower you, ladies. Like, seriously, I'll be honest, I do the majority of home improvement stuff in our home. Because I love to do it. I love to learn how to do stuff. So anytime that my dad is doing something or my brother's doing something, I always want to pay attention. I want to watch because I want to learn how to do it myself. I don't want to have somebody else come and do it for me. And so, yeah, I tend to work that way. In my next project, and I'll see if my brother is willing to be on film for this, he's going to help me put some shelves inside of my shed. So stick around. Maybe I'll share that. It depends. My family's weird. I don't even know if he knows if I have a YouTube channel. I might want to reveal that to him first, right? Okay. Anyways, take care. God bless. And I will talk to you again soon.